So I think I found the solution to our rain in England, which is this and this. So we bought a gazebo. We need to drive out with BMW, and we put that there and try to slide it above Nissan. We'll see how it goes. So it's raining and I'm sitting basically under half-finished gazebo because I'm not strong enough in it to see them. I need to kind of lift them up, and that kind of affects this. And basically I'm not strong enough to lift it up. Yesterday we managed to put the gazebo back on, and now I just need to put a few pegs in to secure it around. Gazebo. Yesterday we rocked two parts here, which is here, just broken into half, and there's another one here. So we will try to maybe sort it out somehow, do some temporary fix for this moment. But well, looks super cool.
just appreciating life. You know? I've been listening to birds cry. I've been viewing from a bird's eye. That's why I always keep my third eye open. I'm focused. If it's real, you know it's gon' come back. This that season, but there's no comeback. If you let go, then please don't run back. Cause if it ain't love, then we don't want that. Yeah.
So let me show you a little bit of the progress, which is not much, but in here I managed to recreate the brackets. That was this one for the bash bar, as you remember, it didn't fit, so that's needs to be just cut to this kind of shape and then welded onto the front bash bar. And then next one is this, which I will show you in a minute. So that's a surprise. We're going this route with the engine. So Lucas is now trying to wire it up so it works, and it will go out there. Let's go, I'll show you what there. So that's 2J ZGE. It's fully working. It's not turboed, but it will have around 300 horsepower. And as you can see, it has this old wiring that we need to take off, and we'll put the brand new one that we do have, and that will go temporary into Nissan. And the reason why is because we suspect some further issues with the CA engine. I trust Lucas 100%, and he's saying that probably one of the four injectors is not working properly, and we had some bits and pieces that I was refurbishing it, I just ignored it. It was like, for example, in one spot there was a gasket slightly moved, which might become a bigger issue. So what we want to do, we want to insert that engine for now, just because it's fully working. We won't be mapping it, or just it will be bone stock to JZ. And then in the meantime we'll take out the Nissan engine CA, try to do it properly, and that will be good to go once we take out those wiring. So yeah, I think that's it for this episode. So we'll show you probably how we go with this engine a little bit later on. There's still some welding needed to be finished, but now we have gazebo, so hopefully the rain won't stop us anymore. So yeah, see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching, guys.